So at the present moment when I am filming this video is the time when I would have been giving my IIT JAM examinations if I went to the exam center, but I didn't go there because I didn't prepared at all at the, for this exam, for which I only procrastinated and thought of studying day after day, time after time, and at the end the examination date arrived and I didn't done anything. This examination was very much important for my post graduation, as I am not interested in doing post graduation at all. Like, it's just a way of buying some time to explore and to be able to do something valuable, to be able to build something, or career wise I want to say. But the only institute where I would have been interested to be joining as a postgraduate student are IITs, and this examination was very much the only path of doing that. Another exam I have came across which will do the same, but not the IITs I would have wanted to go to. So I don't know whether I will be filling that form or not, but this examination was very much important, as I have already mentioned. So I am feeling very much like a waste because of uh, like I am feeling of myself as a garbage, since I could have managed my time. I haven't been going to my university for last how much days, a week at least, or more I guess. And after that, in between these days also, I haven't studied at all. So the thing is, I the the thing is that the examination was important for me and I haven't studied, so that is only the main point of this video, where I wanted to share my regret. And it was totally unexpected to even think of that I will not be appearing in the examinations at all. Like, from last 2 months I have been thinking of studying, start preparing somehow, and couldn't do anything at the very last moment. Even I was very much tired yesterday and a bit much low in my health, but that was not the reason. If I would have been prepared, I would have went to that shifted center, examination center, where I was shifted to. So yeah, that's the only thing. Not being able to prepare for this examination made me feel like what I am going to do right now. Like, as I have said, that this was the only examination where I was looking forward to the colleges it was offering, but like it's the most unexpected thing that has happened. Even today I was having time to go to the center, examination center, but some factors like I haven't uh, attended any lectures online also, and also I wasn't able to download anything in this mobile phone because my earphones are not working in this phone. After that fall which broke my phone, so I wouldn't have been able to attend any lectures in the train which I would have been used to travel to the examination center. uh, but that is just an excuse because only at the last moment it's nothing like I would have prepared very much well, but these are some reasons. The main reason is that it's all my fault. I know it. And one thing that is, when you agree that it's your fault, I mean, because I know what's wrong with me. It's like I know about myself and I don't do anything to improve it. That is where I am trapped, not being able to develop myself, to do something better, to find my purpose. Or it's almost midnight, but actually currently it's 2nd of February only, and as the time is passing I am feeling more and more regretful for not preparing for the JAM examinations and not attempting, because as so yeah, actually I had too much time to prepare, but every time I kept delaying it and trying to be in the comfortable situation using my mobile even after it broke off, and using laptop, watching YouTube videos and Insta, social media you can say that, and that filled up with all my free time. Also, I in between these times only in last 1.5 months I had started playing Sudoku at in online, and I spent quite a lot time in that too. I guess at least 50 hours or more in this month only, and when I was at my home in the winter vacation on, I had spent at least 20 hours at that moment only. Like I was there for 18 days, and after some days I searched for Sudoku, and then I started playing it. I spent quite a lot of time in that also, and on YouTube I spent quite a lot of time watching self-development videos and short films, thinking that it will help me learn cinematography, which actually was not the purpose at all. It was just for diverting me from studying, from being uncomfortable only. And right now I am in this situation where I wasted my money, I you can say actually it's I have to think about what to say. The target of joining being admitted to one of the IITs was the sole purpose, or you can say that was the sole part of the plan if I completed my bachelor's in science, because I always wanted to join NIIT, and this was the best and most you can say most proper way in which I would be able to go to one of the IITs. As the time is passing, I right like as the time has passed, it's more than 2 years since I have joined my bachelor's degree in college, and it just it is just making me realize that nothing goes as planned. Nothing changes if nothing changes. That's one of the very powerful quote. I never changed my lifestyle, never changed my routine, kept myself in the comfortable position, and that has resulted in this situation where I was not prepared at all, and these habits are not like something that I have developed recently. These habits are something that I have been infected of from last 2 years. I am unable to improve myself out of it. I am not able to leave these habits. I always try to stay comfortable until the very last moment, and at the last moment I haste and do things not properly most often. The main thing that is regretful in this is that my bachelor's degree is about to end, and this was the only thing which I wanted to do in future if I completed my bachelor's and am not in a situation where I am financially stable. So you can understand that, and it's all my fault, so there cannot be any excuse about it. This is Divyanshu Singh, and it's 3rd of February right now, or not. It's actually a bit faster, 5 minutes faster. So yeah, it's not technically 3rd of February. It's 2nd of February only, 2025. With regrets, this year is already quite, you can say, quite traumatic, and the reason is me only, my habits, me, and only me.